It is raining in Texas. Well, I just got a comfy set right here. Well, look, my door is right. Well, my door, if you can see that, my door right there has a chain. We put the mattress and pillows. I'm basically being in the pillows, but that's what I want to ask you. Tomorrow it's gonna storm, so I'm putting all the pillows somewhere, like in the door. It is gonna rain. It is gonna rain big. Big now. Big, dude. So big. It's look like this right now. But, tomorrow it's gonna be storming. Because for me, it has cloudy skies. Look, I'm gonna go outside right now. I'm gonna go outside right now. I'm gonna go outside right now. Oh, Lord. Whew. So, this is what it looks like. It looks shiny, but for me, it's raining. It is raining, dude. It is raining. Okay, it is raining. It is raining. My mom told me to get my butt inside right now. Well, she's smoking, but look. It doesn't matter if she smokes. Look, she only smokes like 1 or 2 a day. And then she gets good sleep, dude. I wish I could get good sleep. But that's not the problem. I'm like, why is this happening to me, dude? More like that, bro. Wait, what? For me, I seen, like, do y'all see something? Look, I'm literally right here. When I look right here, it's just total black. Wait. Okay, I put on the lights. And now y'all can see good. Okay, so this is not the problem. Just like, I don't know why. Look. Wait. Do you see that? You see that boy, that Santa holding that boy? That is my cousin Jared. Okay. So, bye, dude. Cause I'm very tired, dude. I'm very tired. So if you see me going to sleep somewhere, I'm not gonna be posting for like. Okay, so, you see my sister? Now you see me. Look. Oh, look. This is my sister. This is me. Oh. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, bye guys. Send hope to me, please.